Hey everyone, Jon Markee, your Builder CPA here, and today I'm going to talk about lawsuits and how accounting can help you win lawsuits, or even better, avoid them altogether. So a lot of times a business owner will blow off an accountant until they get sued or until they need to sue someone. So then whatever the business owner has been delaying, whether it might be providing receipts or bank statements, all of a sudden the sky is falling, everything is a crisis, and the work needs to be done immediately. So let's not do that. Let's keep up to date with accurate financial records. Keeping detailed and accurate financial records is crucial in any legal dispute. Whether you're defending or pursuing a lawsuit, having well-organized financial documentation will provide clear evidence to support your case. This can make the difference between winning and losing in court. So don't be that person that holds off on getting bookkeeping caught up and then all of a sudden thinks that you're going to get caught up on a year or two of financials just because you have a lawsuit. Next, having financial records can prevent another type of need for a lawsuit, which is fraud. So sometimes you might be the victim of fraud, and in order to prevent that, you want to have accurate financial statements, because the sooner your financials are accurate, the more likely you are to identify fraud. And in this day and age, usually the fraudster just disappears as soon as they're caught. So the sooner you catch a fraudster, the sooner you can stop that fraud from happening. And believe it or not, fraud has enough risk to take you out. Then compliance and regulations. So you're less likely to be the recipient of a lawsuit by staying compliant with financial regulations and tax laws. Accountants ensure that your business adheres to all relevant laws and regulations, reducing the risk of legal action from regulatory bodies such as the IRS. So keeping up-to-date financial records is a great way to avoid a lawsuit from the IRS. This proactive approach helps you avoid fines, penalties, and potential lawsuits. Next, eyewitness testimony. In the event of a lawsuit, accountants can serve as expert witness, providing professional testimony and financial analysis that can strengthen your case. Their expertise can clarify complex financial matters for the court, making your position more persuasive and credible. So yet another important way that accountants can help you win or avoid lawsuits. And finally, contract review and due diligence. So accountants play a key role in reviewing contracts and conducting due diligence during business transactions. We definitely cannot take the place of a lawyer, but we can be yet another set of eyes on legal contracts that you're signing. We might know when your contract looks different from other things that we would expect in your industry. So we're really here to keep you safe, and no one wants a lawsuit, not you and definitely not us. Even though it might be a great chance for us to upsell you on a bunch of work, chances are we don't have that capacity in our production schedule. I would much rather do everything in my power to help my clients avoid lawsuits, whether they're suing or getting sued. I don't want my client going through that. So we'll do whatever it takes to try to prevent that, because by the time the lawsuit happens, it's a huge dramatic mess. Sometimes the business owner is running out of money at that point. They can't afford to pay legal fees. They can't afford to pay accounting fees. And then their lawsuit comes to a halt, and so does their business. So do your best, work with your accountant closely so that you can avoid lawsuits altogether. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.